Hello, my name is Anastasia Brooks and I work for Woodgrain as an inside sales representative. I've been almost here for a year. Well, this career path has a lot of room to grow, particularly in my role as an inside sales representative. One of the most important things is relationship building. You get a lot of no's in this field, so you've got to really rely on building that relationship. And I feel like building that relationship, you get a lot more yeses. When a customer calls on me and relies on me, and for anything in general, it just makes me feel really good and that they can rely on us. One of my biggest learning experiences have to be probably timing and teamwork. Small mistakes can really turn into big mistakes really easily within this field of work. So just working with your team and making sure you collaborate with them and be very communicative is very important to ensure it runs smoothly for the customer.